Dear students, this is Mrs. Pavitra Ashok, your English teacher. I welcome you all to this offline English class. In today's session, we are going to complete the Prose Self-Reliance. Before we start, let's recall what you have learned in the previous session. I am going to ask you a few questions. You have to answer it, okay? Your first question is, what is self-reliance? Yes, self-reliance is the ability to do things by yourself. Your second question is, why did the kid scream? The kid screamed because it had fallen into a ditch. Your third question is, what is the meaning of the word ditch? Ditch means a long narrow channel cut into the ground. Students, now please open your English textbook. Please look at paragraphs 5 and 6. I am going to read it. Please listen carefully. I went home and picked up a book to read. It was Thus Spake Swami Vivekananda. On the page I opened, these lines appeared. Once, when a disciple pleaded his helplessness with Swami Vivekananda, Swamiji thundered, "What nonsense are you talking? Within you lies indomitable power. Only thinking, I am nothing, you have become powerless. It is just escapism to say, I am so miserable. Every man has his burden to bear. Swami Vivekananda did not suffer fools." Here we got 6 new words. Spake. It is the old use of English. Spake means spoke. Past tense of speak. Disciple, follower, indomitable, too strong to be discouraged. Thunder, say something loudly or forcefully. Escapism is not facing reality or running away from reality. Miserable means in a poor condition. As the writer was in a dejected mood, he went out and sat under a tree. To divert himself, he began to watch a kid riding a bicycle. Then, all of a sudden, the kid screamed because it had fallen into a ditch. When the writer went to help the kid, as he was a self-reliant child, he replied, "No thanks, I can help myself." This has changed the way of thinking of the writer. He determined to come out from his problems, depression, and his negative thoughts. Then what happened? The writer went home and picked up a book to read. Which book is it? Yes, Thus Spake Swami Vivekananda. On the very first page of the book, Swami Vivekananda's disciple pleaded his helplessness with Swami Vivekananda. Hearing his disciple's words, Swami Vivekananda thundered, means said loudly that his disciple was talking nonsense. He advised his disciple to give up the thinking that he was worthless because there is an indomitable power in everybody, and that it was just escapism to feel miserable about our helplessness. Every man has his burden to bear. Here, the writer says that Swami Vivekananda did not tolerate fools. Students, now please look at paragraphs 7 and 8. If you are miserable, try to conquer your misery and try to be calm. Stand up, be bold, be strong. Do not be a weakling. Take all your responsibilities on your shoulders and know that you are the creator of your own destiny. It is a big error to feel helpless. All the strength and success you want is within you. Having been inspired by the preachings of Swami Vivekananda, the writer tells us that we should try to be calm. We should stand up boldly and take all our responsibilities on our own shoulders to create our own destiny. The writer also says that feeling helpless is a big error and that we have all the strength to succeed. The writer says that instead of thinking we are helpless, we should be bold and strong to take our responsibilities on our shoulders. Students, please observe these two pictures carefully. What did you understand here? In the first picture, we can see a boy who is a negative thinker. He feels he is helpless and miserable. Whereas in the second picture, we can see a boy who is a positive thinker. He realized he failed because he didn't work hard. He is ready to take his responsibility on his own shoulder. Students, now please look at paragraphs 9 and 10. If we cannot help ourselves, there is none to help us. To think that there is someone is sweet delusion. This is the greatest lesson we should learn. None else can help you, friend. Get hold of yourself. Then stand up. Don't be afraid. In the midst of all miseries and all weakness, let the self come out, faint and imperceptible though it be at first. Here we got two new words. Conquer means take complete control. Delusion means imagination or dreaming. In the last two paragraphs, the writer says that we should help ourselves and should not rely on others because nobody will be ready to help us. The writer is of the opinion that the greatest lesson we should learn is to be self-reliant. We should face our miseries with courage. Students, in today's session we have understood the prose self-reliance. I am going to ask you few questions. Try to answer it. Your first question is, what is escapism? Escapism is not facing reality or running away from reality. Your second question is, who is the creator of your destiny? Yes, you are the creator of your own destiny. Dear students, I am going to end up this session. Your home assignment is you have to read the full prose twice with right pronunciation. Also, study the notes. See you in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.